This is Lesson 13 in the Mr. Circuit STEM Coloring Activity book. In this lesson, we introduce the automatic nightlight circuit. It is an electronic circuit that is designed to turn on the lights when it gets dark. The schematic diagram for the automatic nightlight circuit is shown on the lower right-hand side of the page. It has some of the schematic symbols that you were taught in lessons 1 through 11 of this STEM activity book. You may remember that a photocell varies in resistance depending on how much light is hitting its surface. This circuit was designed by engineers to turn on the LEDs when it is dark. So, when the resistance of the photocell is high, the lights will turn on. Remember that the less light that hits the photocell, the more resistance it has. On page 13, you see that Mr. Circuit Robot is sleepy and holding a candle to give light. At the bottom of the page, what does Mr. Circuit say? Mr. Circuit says, here's an automatic nightlight circuit using 2 LEDs, 2 resistors, a potentiometer, a photocell, and an NPN transistor. In previous lessons in this book, you have learned all the schematic symbols shown in the automatic nightlight schematic. Please put a circle around the schematic symbol of the photocell on the schematic diagram at the bottom right-hand side of the page. Here are some important things that you were taught in this lesson. 1. What components are used to make an automatic nightlight circuit? 2. That an automatic nightlight uses a photocell to turn on the LEDs when it gets dark. And 3. How to spell and pronounce automatic nightlight circuit. To finish this lesson, please color in the Mr. Circuit Robot on page 13. Now remember, when you complete this STEM technology book, you will receive a certificate of completion.